Hi, my name is Kawarda Josephine B. So this is my assignment number 7, which is library system. So let's go to Eclipse. And this is my code. And let's try editing it. Modern Layout Center. What is called again? Okay. Center, middle center, it's the same. Side. It's not side. Center. South, north. My bad. And color is and let's try editing this. 25, 25, 25. Let's try the editing the color. Let's say 600 to 500. Okay, let's try running it. Ah, no, that's not. Sorry, my bad. What? Why yan yung lumalabas? Nandito na ako. Wait. Where is it? Library system. Yan, let's run it. So here is the library system. Let's just see, let's search for the book ID number 3. Search. What? What? No. It's mali. Edit book. Let's add book first. No. Let's title it ASD. Author, Awi. Year published 2014. Quantity 5. Add. And as we can see, it is now added. So let's search ASD. Search. So yeah, it is now shown here. So if we will add edit book, if I'd say updated, no, wait, let's update this to 20. Same. So the thing is we can edit here is only the quantity because the year published, author and title cannot be edited. Of course, that's just common sense. Updated. So yeah, so let's go to my access. Sorry. So as you can see, the ASD that we've added to the library is here, and the other books are also here. So that's all. Thank you.